Good afternoon everyone, this is JR Painting Solutions. We're over in Little Camfield in Essex. We've come to paint this external of the property. So we've used bead soft satin on all of your black band, all of your doors, your fascia boards, your pipes, because it's a multi-surface paint and that, so it's in unison. We've used Dulux Trade Weather Shield Magnolia on all of the masonry work. Yeah, so I'm just going to show you around and see what you think. It's now coming into external season, so nice thatched roof, all your lines all tight, all your windows were taped up so there was no drips and splatters. There's your back. And then the side. If you like what you see, please give us a call on 077 919 39602 or email info@jrpaintingsolutions.com. Alternatively, go on to all the w's.jrpaintingsolutions.com. This whole external redeck has taken my team 3 days to do from start to finish. It's a little bit quicker than what a normal team would do it because I've got so many of us, but very quick turnaround from quote to completion, and no mess or paint anywhere. So thank you very much for watching. Have a good weekend. Over and out.